Okay guys, just open settings, then select general, then select about, then scroll up, then you can see these options is here, and the battery manufacturing date. My phone battery is manufactured on January 2024 and first used on March 2024. And you can also see the cycles count. Means how many times your battery 100% recharged. That is one cycle. If you charged 100%, the battery will be counted that one full cycle. Okay, guys. In this option, you can easily see those options when your battery is produced, and first use also the battery count. Okay, guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.